a beautiful cloudy day today. Oh my god. Look at these flowers. I didn't wear any mics because I have cold and I don't want to snore in the mic. So I know it's gonna be very windy today, but I have something else. My family is here with me. There is my wife. Hi.
Hi.
She's cleaning here. And that's my daughter. Hi. She's kinda shy and she's cold, so I turn on the heater there. It's been raining in a few days. So many grasses grow here. And one more thing. We planted 2 trees here with my father. It's almond tree and this is for my daughter. And another one. 2 almond trees. One more thing. There's no wood around here except there. But we collect them all. I collected some of the bricks from there and put them here to clean clean the place. You know, it's a good weather to planting things. I have to make tea ready fast, so I skip gathering all the stuffs around. I will do it later, but now I need to make a place to plant my vegetations. I don't have any idea. I don't have any plan. Now I think I have to make a plan. Yes, the camera is back, and I think this is the middle of yard. Yes, and it's a spot that I'm gonna start here from here, and I need my tools. Let's get my tools. I think about making a circle here. Let's get more tools. I have this piece of iron. I don't know how it came into my car actually, but it's gonna help me right now. I'm gonna nail it into the ground and therefore I can make a circle. This is a good space. It's something about 150 meters, and let's make a circle. I think it's perfect. I'm exactly middle of the circle and I think it's good. Maybe I should make it a little wider, but that's all right. I have to make a marker. I use the blocks to make marks of my circle that I can understand. What am I doing? My daughter woke up early today and she's not awake completely yet. Let's see, what is she doing? Look at her. Eh? What is she doing? She's making tea. بابا کمکت میکنم. بیا دخترم. Thank you. I brought her to play with the ground, with the dirt, but she's sitting inside and eating her snacks. Okay. Her friend didn't came today and she's alone, so she's enjoying in this way. Let's get back to the work. And it's all done. I made the circle. Now you can see the circle. It's kind of wavy in these points and something like this. I have to make it flat. Okay, let's get rid of this nail. Thank you. And now I have to shovel it. Finally, she came out to play. I'm happy. I'm so grateful. You see, there's a hidden hole here. I just take out the nigger and it's appeared. I have to fill it up. Tea time. There she is. What are you doing? Okay. She understands what I'm talking about, but she cannot speak yet. There's mom. Thank you, mama. It's almost done. I need a plan again. I need another plan for this garden, and of course that's not a garden, it's too small for a garden. Let's start another plan. And there she comes. Whee! Thank you. She grabbed me a flower. They picked a bunch of flowers and she's happy. What color is it? Love you. I saw the purple. Yeah. I forgot to bring any measurement, so I have to work on eye. It's kind of hard, but I tried my best. I've noticed something. This wall is not straight. It's in this direction, and I have a problem here. I have to be careful to making this part of the garden because I don't want to interrupt with the other trees or the way we are walking here. I think I have to put these woods in this direction, not that. Of course, that's the straight one, but because of the wall, I have to make them on this path. That's the road, and next to the road is gonna be okay. I can push it over here. Yeah, it's gonna be much more harder than I thought. Okay, let's bring some wood. Where's the other brick? Oh, okay, it's between these weeds. I think that's okay. I need more woods. Alright, I'm out of straight woods, so I have to put their bricks here and make lines. Then I can pick them up and complete the rest of it. It's getting rain again. This time I'm prepared for the rain. I did one board there, and now I can make other borders. Okay, that's good. And suddenly I've changed my clothes. In the next cut, it's sunny right now. I need another wood plank, but I don't have. So I think I need to place the bricks on this side. Let's get into it. Alright, it's done. Another wall is complete. 2 more walls. I don't have any gloves and my fingers hurt to throw these bricks away. Now I have to put the bricks together. Okay, it's done, and there's just one line left. And it's done. I don't know how to show you, but let's pick you up. Maybe you will see. Okay, you see it? It's done. This is the plan. Now, there is a problem here. You know, there is no way to get to the ring. I need some ways. This is the path that I want to make. I need lots of bricks. That's the way. And this is the moment of truth of testing this way. This hole needs to be filled. Okay. And yes, it's working. 3 ways to go. just 4 years old. And it's done. One pass to go. And this is the final way that I made. It's so wavy, but I'm starving. Let's go for lunch. See what's the food. This is grinded meat fried. I don't know the name. And vegetations, onion, carrots, and other stuff. And this is noodle. Hi.
Hi.
Alright, now I'm fully stuffed. Let's get back to the work. Let's see what we did. You have to go up. Yeah. This is the plan that I made. There are 4 ways in each side that you can walk through the ring. And there's a situation here. This soil is compressed by the rain and time. It almost doesn't let any vegetation grow except these weeds. To make that happen, I need to plow. I need to shovel the ground about 30 centimeters and make the soil ready for cooking. This is the hard part. And now it's time to plow the ground on 3, 2, 1. Why it doesn't work? I saw it in the videos. Many people snap and it's changed. Let's get into it. It's so much harder than I thought. Look at this stone. It's so compressed. It's been 3 hours that I'm shoveling, and this is the result. Almost half of one part. And my back sore, my hand and leg sore. It's so hard. There's too many stones and rocks in this soil that I have to pull them out. And I didn't even think it's going to be that hard. Just look over there. Mom and daughter are playing together. I will be back and maybe I'm gonna be off record to dig all of these parts, and there is so many stuff to do.